guys, this is Gabi Tech. Today I will show you one amazing keyboard that will make you think twice what to choose for your next gaming experience. And this is the Roccat Vulcan 120 Aimo. That's one of the best gaming keyboards I have ever used. It's a joy to game and type on. Let's see. I have used it a couple of months, guys. That's why the box looks a little bit ripped. But everything is alright with the keyboard except that the nylon is missing. As I open the box here, I first will show you this is the hand wrist support. Don't worry guys, I will show you later full look of the keyboard and its design, how it looks from closer look. This is the wrist support. And now here is the keyboard herself. Design is quite simply stunning, as you can see. I love the look of this keyboard. It's very beautiful, conservative look, brushed aluminum body, of course RGB backlighting that you will see with the special Roccat software on my PC later on. Only one small difference make the keyboard stand out, and this is the keys. You can see that these keys are like none of other keyboard keys. They're not covering fully the switch. You can see the mechanic behind these keys. The caps doesn't cover the entire key. It only has keycaps, as you can see, over the top of the key, leaving the body part like naked, exposed. You can see exactly the mechanics of this key. A small design tweak that makes a huge difference, giving the Roccat a little bit, you know, industrial-like look, because you see the body part of the switches itself. But that's nothing that special, because you know the old writing machines, that's the typing machines, the old style one, they are also looking same, and this gives like good vintage look of the keyboard. That's retro cool, old typewriter. You know, not everything should be super technical. You should have the class of the old-fashioned stuff sometimes. Anyway, little bit about the mechanics itself. You know, Roccat doesn't use the Cherry MX switches like Corsair. They have their own Roccat titanium switch, which is extremely good. It's 20% faster. And it's very good for typing. No, it's not good as Cherry MX red lines for gaming, but for typing it's perfect. The LED on behind the switch gives very beautiful illumination of the switch itself. You will see how bright it looks, the keyboard, when it's illuminated by the RGB, because you can see that part is transparent here. I will show it in a closer look, as I said. Now I suggest you look the keyboard at closer look, and then we can move up to my computer so I can show you how to work with the software and explain you a little bit more about the keys. Okay, as I said guys, Roccat dropped the Cherry MX mechanical switches, and you can see the Roccat Vulcan 120 Aimo Titan Switches. They are 1.8mm actuation point, very similar to MX Brown switches. You can get a tactile switch that feels light and fast. The half weight, because the cups are half weight, because they don't cover entirely. As I said, they turn to their position faster when you click. And they don't feel that click, you know, mechanical keyboards are very loud, clicky. You can hear somebody gaming on it from very long distance, but they reduce the clickiness, which is awesome, you know. It's very annoying to listen to this sound sometimes. The electrical bounce time is reduced by 20% compared to Cherry MX switches. And it's very responsive feeling keyboard that can keep up with frantic type as well as fast-paced action in games, as I said. They said that it doesn't give the same result in games like the Cherry MX red switches, but I'm not exactly on the same opinion. I mean, I can't compare both of them, but I really like this keyboard because it's so fast and light. Roccat, it's excellent keyboard for working and for playing games, and the price is little bit better than Corsair K90 Platinum as the keyboard I have. It's very well rounded. I'm very impressed overall. I can say I'm very impressed. Now I will show you how the RGB software works. Let me turn it on. Look at that beauty. Beautiful illumination. I can see the RGB of this keyboard are far more stronger than the Corsair ones. Now I will show you from the software the different effects. The Roccat software is called Swarm, and you can install it on your computer. Basically, this keyboard is state-of-art intelligent lighting system it has. Like the quoting of the... Okay, let's see the general features. You have no typing sound, you have click sound. When you type on the keyboard, you can have click sound. Here you can see the different sound effects of the keycaps. You can have no typing sound, click sound, typewriter sound, beam sound and sci-fi sound. I will show you each one of them. We apply it. Isn't that cool, guys? Look, and it changes colors wherever you press. Let's see the sci-fi sound. Ooh, when you play games, you can apply this sound. Look at the colors, so beautiful. And the more you press, the more it spreads. The typewriter sound. Wait, I need to apply it. I applied. Come on. You imagine your typewriter here. I told you, it's very cool. Look, every time you switch effect, it switches color. The only thing I don't like is this wrist support that it's plastic. It doesn't feel exactly comfortable. I wish they made it with soft pad. Now we change to key assignment. There is also a sound roller that you can use to change the colors as you saw. Now the key illumination. There are different effects. I would like to show you first on the screen, then on the keyboard the different lightning effects. You can see that on the software first. You can choose different speed and you can control the brightness. I can put it on maximum speed now. Here that's on maximum speed, I will apply it on maximum speed. You can see it's like crazy. Then you can choose the brightness, because sometimes you don't want to be that bright. Here, you reduce the brightness here. You switch reduce brightness. I normally leave the brightness at the maximum. That's why I will let it be in the maximum. Now I change the second snake effect. That's extremely cool. I'll show it to you now. You can see the snake effect. It's like that Nokia game with the snake, you know. It looks very cool. You can, on every effect you can choose what speed and what brightness do you want. Then fully wood. Then you have heartbeat 2.0. That's your heartbeat, very fast one. We should reduce it to at least half, because that's a heart attack, if you know what I mean. And you can choose the theme, by the way. It doesn't need to be orange. For example, it can be pink. Look. Now our heart is pink. Or maybe red. It doesn't need to be only orange. You know, in the beginning I didn't install that software immediately on my computer, so it was only like the orange, and I got very fast bored of it. Then you have breathing 2.0, so anatomical features of this keyboard. I was thinking why I like it, now I understand why. That's breathing. It actually breathes. My keyboard breathes. Maybe I should decrease the breathing speed. Theme 2. You can even do mixed themes. You can do blue-green. Look. Wow. That's slow breathing. I normally use a half speed because, you know, sometimes it's very annoying to be super fast. I feel like I'll get epilepsy. Fadex. This is, you need to type, so every key will have a different theme when you type. Ripple FX. I will choose the theme to pink red because I really love pink. I have to press it. Wow. Come on, this software is very good. I mean, they actually put very much effort in it. It looks very beautiful. And the last mode is the custom mode, when you can choose what color should be your main keys, your arrow keys, F keys and num keys. Custom mode that you can choose over different. For example, your main keys you may want them to be pink, and to have breathing effect with that speed. Your LASD keys to be your gamer keys to be like red, and to be heartbeat. Apply. You can see that they are heart beating there. And your arrow keys, for example, we can make them, I don't know, yellow. Here, your arrow keys became yellow now. Your F keys, blue. They became blue now. And your num keys, green. It looks very beautiful. That you can choose. You can have so many options to do it the custom way you want. That's the heartbeat effect. Very well developed software, I could say. Along right with the general features. You can even choose a repeat delay, repeat rate and cursor blink rate, which is very amazing. What I wanted to say more about is that the titanium makes it so strong and so beautiful. I don't know what to say about this keyboard. I'm having very much hard time to choose which I like more, my Corsair K95 Platinum or Roccat 120 Aimo, because both of them they're so different and so beautiful at the same time. I forgot to mention about this keyboard, it's extremely easy to clean. You just take your vacuum cleaner and you vacuum the dust without getting concerned that you will vacuum the buttons along with the dust. That's a very good feature of it, I really like it. It's very light also. You can take it, for example, you go on a trip, you can take it. Wait, I don't know, I like both of the keyboards, that's why I have both of them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you will know everything I do. And please comment and like this video. Thank you very much, guys. And smile to the life!